In light of the viral surge in our community, we believe it is in the best interest of our students and employees to delay the return to the schoolhouse and commence the 2021 school year from a distance.
We are thoughtfully opening schools with physical distancing and cohorting of students requiring face coverings and thoroughly cleaning and disinfecting throughout the day and night.
Well, I think one of the main concerns for me, I'm not sure how I will be able to really teach and keep a mask on. So that's one concern. And the fact that the students will be stationed in one room for 6 hours. So they're going to be in the same space. So if you're the teacher in the room, you will not be able to take off the mask. So that concerns me.
The problem is going to be even more because then they're going to, everyone at my school, everyone had a tablet. They gave everyone a tablet. They made sure that everyone had the devices. But I know once they get home, they're on their own. So unless it's a parent, and the parents are working, so they really can't help them. They're not there. They're not, they are essential workers. So they're really depending on the teachers they're depending on the kids to get on the Zoom, to get on the computer, and to make sure that they have to get on the parent portal and check if the work is being done, if the kids are turning in the work. So they're really trusting that these kids are going to do the work that they have to do.
Out of my Haitian students, their parents were still going out to work. So whereas I was fortunate enough to be able to stay home, a lot of Haitian parents were still going out to work. So therefore they were putting themselves at risk. And a lot of Haitian mothers, when they first come here, the options that they have would be like a home care attendant. So they're leaving their home to go to somebody else's house all day, dealing with sick patients. A lot of them are nurses' aides, things of that nature, where they're interacting with the public on a regular basis. So that was a struggle, and the parents are not really home to help the students with the work. And even the ones that are home, they really, first of all, they don't have enough, they're not tech savvy enough to really assist them with a computer or a laptop, right? That's one. And the workload, it's impossible for the parents.